Hello, this is Tina from Landpack. Today I'm going to show you the sandwich cookies packing line behind me. And this line is suitable for packing the sandwich with the different towers, like single towers, 2 towers, 3 towers, or 4, 5, 6 towers. So it can flexible to meeting your packing requirements. So let me show you the details. This packing line including the 2 feeding line. And this line is feeding the base, and this line feeding the top. So including the cream feeder. This one is a cream feeder, including the material tank. It is heating the water. The hot water will be fed into the middle layer for the material tank, and including the mixer to mixing the cream. The cream will be fed in by the rotor pump over here, and filling with the 2 line. The filling speed is 1,200 pieces per line. So means one line is 600, double line is 600, total 1,200 pieces per minute. And it's suitable for different cookies diameter. You can adjust over here to adjust the handle over the space for different material tank, the matter. Over here, the black handle, you can adjust over here to adjust the channel space. And this one is the sticky device. After filling the cream inside the sandwich will be sticky over here, and this one is sorting system. So no matter you want to do the single towers or 3 or 4 towers, it can set up by the touch screen. The machine will be adjusted fully automatically. This one is the packing line, flow packing machine. The packing speed is 100 to 150 bags per minute. It's a servo controlled machine. So let me show you the machine running.